The anatomy of high elf is very interesting because high elves are one of the tallest type of elves with height ranging from 6 feet to 7 feet. They are generally characterized by their clear skin, sharp long faces on top of very slim and thin body. They are also said to have long straight and blonde hair. High elves also have very long lifespan of over 700 to 5000 years, and many times they are almost immortal. In order to describe the anatomy of high elves through humane and scientific perspective, we need to understand first that humans generally don't live that long, and in order to live that long, humans would need permanent and regular repair of tissue and DNA damage, which is caused by relatively high metabolic activity in human being compared to, let's say, a turtle. My theory is that very long lifespan would only be possible if elves are in constant state of low metabolism, due to which body cannot create much cellular damage through various metabolic activities, and they will also need very high repair rate for skin, which is mentioned in many books, as elves also have self-healing abilities. This would only be possible if their skin is made up of stem cell rich tissue. I will go even further and say that the tissues of elves might even be made up of pure cancer cell, which can stimulate regeneration without triggering large tumors. The bone structure of high elves would be very similar, but with thicker spongy networks and very effective bone remodeling structures, and of course high count of stem cells without triggering cancer. Another main aspect of high elves is elfin magic, which is generally centered around magic spirit. The closest scientific explanation of magic spirits would be that in major sense they are small living creatures like planktons but moving around in air. Magic spirits in a humane sense would be able to understand the elfin language and bind with each other to perform various types of magic. For fire magic, they would be doing rapid movement which lights up the oxygen in air on fire. Wood magic would be based on them keratinizing their bodies to appear like wood, and magic in its sense would depend on how effectively anyone can make a very friendly relationship with this spirit. So this is the first part of 25-part series on types of elf. Follow me for more.